Today I'm going to show you 5 different ways you can say this here. We'll start from the longest version to the shortest. The ones I use the most are numbers 3 and 4, but if you pay attention, 90% of people use numbers 2, 3, and 4 the most, and numbers 1 and 5 aren't used as much. Beginning with the full version, which is pretty long, so we're going to say the whole thing. I am going to. Now let's bring I and M together, and usually when we do that, I becomes a schwa sound. So I'm is usually pronounced as Then let's bring going and to together. But before we do that, there's something interesting I want to mention. Even when these words are separated, you might hear people pronouncing them differently. So you can say going to, or change the O sound in to a schwa sound, going to. Or even change the T sound to almost a D sound, going to. Or even eliminate the D and pretty much add an N sound and say going to. And all of them sound natural. I'm going to call you, I'm going to call you, I'm going to call you, I'm going to call you. You can also bring going and to together and say gonna. So I'm gonna. Then if you say things a bit faster, you can eliminate the G sound in gonna and connect the M sound to anna. So you get I'm gonna call you. Or you can eliminate the N sound and simply say I'ma call you. I'ma call you later. So you have all these options to use. Feel free to pick whatever feels the most natural to you, but try to explore a little bit and try to use versions you're not so familiar with. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.